बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। एक हों मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, नील के साहिल से लेके ताबहा के काशगर। Respected and esteemed listeners, today there is a great news for the Muslim Ummah, especially for Pakistan, Turkey and Saudi Arabia. By the grace and mercy of Allah, we stand at a historic movement, a turning point at which the course of world history may be transformed. By the grace of Allah, the journey that began with Pakistan's Battle of Truth, Marka-e-Haq, in which Allah granted victory to the Pakistan, has now progressed to a historic defense agreement between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. By the grace of Allah, I was among the first to say from the very beginning that if Allah had granted the rulers of Saudi Arabia the honor of bearing the title custodian of two holy mosques, yani Khadim Haramain Sharifain, then he had also granted the rulers of Pakistan the honor of becoming protector of the two holy mosques, Muhafiz Haramain Sharifain. The journey has continued to develop, and today Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and Turkey have come together as protectors of the Muslim world. I would also like to address those who, when we first called for the Muslim world to unite and stand together, dismissed our concerns at a time when Iran was carrying out attacks against Gulf countries. There was voices and lobbies that denied that such a threat even existed. Iran, which has long been regarded as a brother among the 56 Muslim countries, and the extent to which it has supported to the Muslims of Palestine are matters known to everyone. Nevertheless, they remain our brothers. However, when it comes to those proxies who have spent their lives fighting fellow Muslims, how can they be expected to fight a war against those who are hostile to Islam? Today, Muslim can hold their heads high with pride. Pakistan stands at one of the highest point in its diplomatic history. I congratulate Ishaq Dar, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Asam Munir on this historic achievement. Asam Munir has fulfilled his responsibility as the chief of Pakistani army. May Allah grant him success and one day the honor of becoming the commander of the armies of the entire Muslim world. The three great powers of Muslim Ummah have now formed an alliance, and we pray that this defense alliance will continue to expand. Other countries that have no aggressive or expansionist intentions should also become part of this alliance. I, along with Jamiat Ahl-e-Hadith Pakistan, sincerely congratulate Pakistan, Saudi and Turkey on this historic agreement. Jamiat Ahl-e-Hadith will also celebrate this achievement in a grand and befitting manner. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़ पाक पर उतरे वो फसल गुल के जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल न हो. खुदा करे मेरे एक भी हम वतन के लिए हयात जुर्म न हो, जिंदगी वबाल न हो. May Allah bless my homeland Pakistan with a new era of prosperity, peace and stability, a Pakistan that has no fear of decline. May Allah enable every person in my homeland to contribute to the welfare and well-being of their fellow citizens, and may He ensure the life never becomes a burden of anyone. Ameen.